Yeah. It's tight. It's as tight as a single coat of paint. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is to you. Hope you're having a good day. It's SUR-RON time for me, so I'm just gonna, you can see this little track out here, I'm gonna have a little go on there, and then I'm gonna go adventuring maybe into the local village, have a look round and see what else I can find. I've got no plans apart from this. If that is of any interest to you, then hang around and we'll be back in a few seconds. I'll be at that track in a minute. I think the EP mode is about 3 kilowatts and in sport it's about 6 kilowatts apparently. So we're going to put it in that. 6 kilowatt obviously. Whoa. The ground is just it's a span. Whoa. Well, I was going to practice a few wheelies, but the ground is still so wet, I'm not confident enough for that today. Got my bum bag ready, with all my bits in. It's full of stuff, full of junk. Anyway, stop rabbling. Let's go, 6 kilowatts. That's my lucky spot back there. Oh, she's handling quite well. Hopefully my microphone will sound better. I've got some foam wrapped around it. Might distort, might take the wind noise out a bit. Hopefully, anyway. Ooh, which line? Oh, let's take this one now. Oh, yeah, whoa, this is good. It's actually surprising, obviously on the straight it's not that great. But on the corners, I think I could get used to this. Let's take the closer one. Haven't done this one yet. I go for that back brake on the pedal all the time. Let's try the other way then. Woo! Oh, I've got a burp brewing, but I don't want to do that on camera. Might have to. I can never see this going this way. Oh, never again. Come on. This bike is so much fun. The handling makes up for the lack of performance. Can I find this straight away? Here it is. It's tight. It's as tight as a single coat of paint. This bit just creeps up. I'm liking this. Reminds me of go-kart. Let's go have a look in the wood. Oh, it's going to be a right wreck in here. Oh, branches sticking out everywhere, logs. Oh, should we try the hill climb? That'd be a good test for it. Oh, yes. Oh, fair play. Got a wet leg in the meantime. Whoa, that's a nice jump there. What about this one? Whoa! Fair play. Oh, branch nearly stabbed me. Hard on that brakes. Oh, careful through the mud. Oh. Bit of a log here. Whoa! Oh, it proper needs a clear up round here. I'm not going to do that today. I don't know though. Shall I? I think I could do it. Yeah. Nice. Oh, look at that. Branch down, it really needs some maintenance work. Branch is all in the track. It's a wreck up here, Johnny. Anyway, it needs some work up here. I can't do too much. Look at all these branches. Right. Wouldn't mind doing that once more for luck. Yeah. No. Follow the path. Oh, what's this thing? Somebody else has been along here, look at that. Where am I going then? Quad tracks, follow them. Maybe not. Oh. No unexpected surprises in here, is there for me? No, that's all right then. Onwards. There's some of those alpacas. Alright. That old tractor. Crikey, it feels like I've gone back in the time. What's it, Bullhead watches heartbeat. Whoa, road. I can see a vehicle over there coming up the side of me. Oh, Swede. Oh, I gotta look at that again. Look at that. There's a statue of a dog having a turnout. Great. Turkey. And then look at that nice architecture there. Wow. Ah, people over there. At least it's dry. Bike needs a good blowout. Oh no, I'm getting used to all these. Now which way? Up there? Spoke too soon about being dry. Oh. No, this isn't what you want. I hope my microphone's not picking up the wind so bad now. I'll put a bit of foam around it. I'll get across this bog. Gate was open, that wasn't me. Oh, I am not riding through that bog patch. Get this for a tight fit. Oh, we're not going to take it too fast. The last thing you want to do is catch your bars here. Do a face plant into the either that prefab stuff or the I'd rather go to the left. Yeah, cheers. Cheers! You happy there? Brilliant, cheers.
See you later.
Whoa. Yeah, I'll be alright. I've done worse. Cheers. Stay off the roads. Some steps, they're always fun. Just, whoops. Oh, it's a school. Whoopsie daisy. After I've gone down it, of course. Nothing for me in there. They love it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I am now on my way home. I've explored enough today. I've done 24.5 miles, I can just see, and I've got not much juice left. So that's usually the call in for me to head home. I hope you've enjoyed the upload. It's not been that great, but I've had fun. I do not have to be going fast, balls out all the time to be having fun. I just like to be on the bike. It feels amazing being on a bike. It's the closest thing to flying, I think. But that's why I love it. Anyway, thanks for watching if you've got this far, and maybe we shall see you in the next one. Moto Machines out. Hello again. I'm just stopping to don't really want to go home just yet, you know, everyone in quarantine and self-isolation. I've got the mother-in-law, wife and 2 kids at home, so there's no rush to get home. So I thought I'd just show you what I might have in my bag of essentials I take with me. This is like the smallest bag, I don't know what you want to call it, a day bag, but you know, it's always handy to have a few little bits with you, such as your phone, lighter in case you get so lost and run out of battery you need to make a fire and keep warm, a few cable ties in case someone tries to, I don't know, mug you and you have to do a citizen's arrest. Got a few spanners, some elastic bands, a knife again for the citizen's arrest, spare GoPro and battery, some hand sanitizer. That's pretty much it. A Leatherman. But I'm trying to keep light. Oh yeah, and some wipes for my goggles and a few gloves, and that's pretty much it, I think. In the other compartment I've just got a few spare spark plugs. Obviously that's for the 2-stroke when I'm on that. But this bike, this bag, I'm just trying to keep it nice and light, not too much. Obviously you don't want to fall off with and land on your bag and have too many things in there. That could give you an injury. But like I said, I'm in no rush, so I thought I'd just show you what I have in my bag. I just wanted to let you know what I have in the bag, but also maybe you can comment what different things you might have in your bag. You saw the Snickers and stuff, just in case I do get lost and hungry. What the hell's this? Thought it was a load of... no. Yeah, so let me know if you've got anything special you always carry in your bag. Moto Machines out.